Good morning. A day when all the global markets were positive and the BJP Prime Minister candidate Narendra Modi was supposed to be sworn in as the Prime Minister of India. The Indian markets started the day on a relatively positive note. This positive opening set the market trend and the market rallied to nearly 2% in the afternoon with the Nifty reaching the 7,500 level mark. However, immediately after reaching this level, market witnessed correction and the Nifty, which was up around 130 points, fell down to around minus 60 points in the late afternoon trade. However, with some revival in the buying side, the Nifty ended the day relatively lower, down by 0.1%. Similar selling was seen in the mid-cap and the small-cap counters, which were up around 1% by afternoon trade, but later witnessed correction and profit booking and fell in excess of over 2.1% and 2.2% respectively. High beta sectors such as realty and infrastructure, along with the PSUs and the banking stocks, also witnessed heavy correction in the late afternoon trade. FIS witnessed selling in the cash market segment where they sold goods of around 84 crore yesterday, while DIS were also sellers in the cash market segment where they sold goods of around 200 crore. The rupee strengthened against USD in the early morning trade, while later settled at 58.70, down 0.35% against the previous close of 58.5. The US markets ended the day on a relatively positive note as the European Central Bank President Mario Draghi indicated full support in reviving growth across Europe. Coming to some news for today's session, SEBI has cleared the second open offer raised by Diageo plc to acquire a 26% additional stake in United Spirits. The second open offer is at Rs 3030 per share against the earlier laid bid of Rs 1440 per share. Pfizer plc has abandoned its offer for acquiring AstraZeneca plc for 70 billion euros, following AstraZeneca board's decision to reject the offer at €55 per share offer. The Asian markets are trading in the relatively flat zone in the early morning trade, with the Singapore Nifty being down by 15 points. The Indian markets are expected to be sideways for today's session. Major resistance and support levels for Sensex comes around the level of 25040 and 244080 levels, while major resistance and support levels for Nifty comes around the level of 7470 and 7224 levels. Thank you very much and happy investing.